This is Frankie MacDonald, my own TV station, live from Sydney, Nova Scotia. Major snowstorm is headed towards Toronto, Ontario on Wednesday, February the 26th, 2020. It's going to bring up to 20 centimeters of snow or more. It's going to bring blowing and drifting snow, reduce visibility. It's going to cause dangerous and treacherous driving conditions. It's going to bring a lot of snow in Hamilton, St. Catharines, and Niagara Falls, Ontario, including Oshawa, Ontario, Mississauga, Oakville, Burlington, Markham, Newmarket, Richmond Hill, and Brampton, and Orangeville, including all the way up to Barrie, Ontario. It's going to bring dangerous and treacherous driving conditions. It's even going to bring a lot of snow in Brantford, Woodstock, Guelph, Stratford, Kitchener, Waterloo, Cambridge, London, Goderich, Sarnia, and Windsor, Ontario. It's going to bring a lot of snow in Toronto, Ontario, and streets, roads, highways, and Ontario 400 series highways will be snow covered. There'll be a lot of snow in Toronto, Ontario, and the surrounding areas as well. It's also going to bring a lot of snow in Oshawa, Ontario. There's a chance a big pile up of traffic since it's going to bring a lot of snow in Toronto, Ontario, and the surrounding areas as well. People in Toronto, Ontario, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready. Have your winter jackets ready. Have your hats ready. Have your gloves ready. Have your scarf ready. Have your ski pants ready as well. Order pizzas and order Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Make sure you have your Samsung Galaxy shirts, Samsung Galaxy smartphone shirts, Samsung Galaxy tablet shirts, smartphones, cell phones, laptops, and tablet shirts. Have your 3G, 4G, 5G, and LTE internet ready as well. When you drive the car, take your time driving the car, slow down, so you don't get in a car accident. When you go for a walk, be very careful walking so you don't slip and fall. Make sure your furnace is ready. Turn on your furnace to keep those warm. Drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. Drink lots of green to keep warm. Have your extra blankets ready to keep you warm as well. Make sure your shovels ready. Have your hefts ready. Have your snow scoops ready. Have your snow blowers ready. Have your snow plows ready. Have your salt trucks ready as well. If everybody living in Toronto, Ontario, be prepared for a major snowstorm on Wednesday, February 26, 2020. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a major snowstorm. Stay warm and be safe.